Hi, I'm Tim from Pixelhue. Today I will show you about our complete and relative preset function. We will do it together and make sure all of you can do it by yourself. For our preset functions, we have two modes. One is the complete preset, and the other one is our relative preset. So let me show you how to find this function and how to set it up. So first step, we need to set up our screens. Here we have our main LED screens, we have left, right screens, we have DSMs, and after that we go into the programming page. And coming here, we can find our preset function over there, and we can add some new preset here. So from here we have the load method. The one is complete and one is relative. And also we can choose which one we need to save from. We have preview and programs. And also we can give the name for our preset, and we can set up the number. And we can do some of the transformation like the duration animations. And also for the screen, we can choose which screen you want to set up our preset. And for the input source, we have the image quality and the DSK. For the image quality, it means that we have already set up for our input sources. This affects all the data over there. And back to our last one is our layers. So we can choose which layer you want to save as our preset. So let's do it together, and I will show you how to make your complete and relative preset. So for step one, we go to the background one, like here, and we save it as our relative preset and save from our preview, and we give the name is background number one, and we select the layers like that one. So we're going to take, that is our background one, and we're going to save our background two, that is our logos. So for this one, when save that from the relative and save from preview, we give the name is our background 02, and we save the layer is our layer 1, so that is our background number 2. And also we can save our cameras, so we clean up all over here, and this one is our cameras. We have two cameras. The number one, we have the layer is layer number 4, another one is our layer number 2. So we save this one as the preset from the relative, and save from preview, we give the name is the camera number 1, and save the layer, we choose the layer number 2 and the layer number 4. So we get this one. And last step is we're going to save the camera number 2. So for this one, we also save from the relative and save from preview, we give the name that the camera 02, we save the layer from the layer 2 and the layer 4. So we have already set up all layers we needed, and we clean up everything over here. And I will show you how to do that and what will happening to switch our layers. So for first step, we're going to the background, and we're going to take. So the screen will be our background number 1, and we're going to background number 1 and our camera number 1, and we're going to take. So it means that we never change the background, but we add our cameras on our background. And we switch to the camera number 2 and the background number 1, and we can go take. It means that we switch our cameras, but without our background. So it's still the background number 1 and the camera going to number 2. And also we can switch to the background number 2 and going to camera number 2. So we're going to take. It means that we switched our background, but our camera is still on the screen. And also we can switch to the background number 1 and with camera number 2. So it means that we switch up our background, but the camera number 2 is still on the screen. So that is all we can do, and it's all we set up for our presets. And one more thing is our notice. We need to make sure our sources, like background and cameras, will be the same position and the same size, so that we can make it perfectly. That is all step and notice about our complete and relative preset function. Hope I can help you make your events better after this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for future information.